Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy JT. Welcome to this video. Thank you so much for checking it out. And if this is your first time, guys, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. And if you're already a subscriber, guys, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, say something, let me know you're in the place. Why? Because it helped the algorithm, guys. Remember what Zig Ziglar said. If you help enough people get what you want, you help enough people, get what they want, you get what you want in the process. Okay? So just by helping me, you're actually helping yourself. Okay, look for 10 people that would like to get mentored by a proven six-figure earner. Go ahead, guys. Check it out. Read through here. It give you all the answers. That go my personal phone number, of course. Don't call me unless you already filled out the form and you calling me again to ask me some questions. I get that. But you want to talk to me, this is how you talk to me, or you talk to a leader right there to get mentored. Simple and easy, right? Tell you what you get. Weekly training, step by step, duplication of plan, scripts, tools, strategy that works, ongoing support until you're earning. That's what's happening. And I joined these guys, and they actually great mentors. They actually teach some good stuff on how to market Facebook for free, and how to market Instagram for free, how to market on YouTube for free, how to market TikTok for free, and all the other platforms. And actually, guys, get results. Okay, it's called attractive marketing. How to attract people to you to say, hey, tell me more about your business opportunity. So you're in a business opportunity, this is for you. So go ahead, guys. There you go, right there. Fill out your name, email address, phone number. We don't share your information with anybody else. We keep it to ourselves. Okay, come on in. The water's fine. I like that. You have to watch the movie. If you know when I said the water's fine, come on in. Forgot the name of the movie, but anyway, I like that saying. Come on in. The water's fine, guys. We always have a great time. You'll have a great time. It's on Thursdays, uh, 8 o'clock p.m. and 1 o'clock p.m. Thursday, both Central Time. Okay. All right, guys, come on in and get in with Mentor 10. You'll win. Oh, that rhyme with Mentor 10. Thank you, guys, and have a great day just because you can.